Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today let us study about in your 7th standard. In your chapter is what? Decimal number is the. You can yesterday class you learn about only multiplication of decimal number. Today you learn about the division of decimal number. Division of decimals. Decimals. Decimal number. Decimal numbers. How to division of the decimal number? Okay. You can consider any decimal number. You can divide at this like the solution. Example number 1. Divide. Consider any one. 0.125 is divisible by 5. This is decimal number. This one is whole number. Is that divide this like is that. Therefore, the solution is very easy. Therefore, given number is what? 0.125 divided by 5 is that. You can write this like. You can convert it. Converted this fraction is what? 125 divided by 1000 into 1 by 5 is the reciprocal of this one. You will learn about in your fractions. This like also here. No problem. Next, 5 ones are 5, 25 are. Therefore, 25 by 1000 divided by 1000 is equal to. Answer is 0.025. Answer is 0.025. And also example 2 divide 3.6 divided by 1.2. 1.2 is the 3.6 is divisible by 1.2. How to do it this way? This like. Therefore, this is very easy. First of all, you can convert it to decimal into fractions. Decimal into fractions is point is one digit after point is the. You can divide it by 10 is the, that is 10. Therefore, 36 divided by 10. The 10 is 10 is the one digit after point. Divided by again 12 by 10 is the. These two are fractions are here. You know about in your previous class division of fractions. Division of fractions is very easy. 36 divided by 10 into 10 by 12. 10 by 12 is the. Therefore, 10 cancel. 12 ones are 12 threes are. Answer is only 3 is the. Answer is only 3. Next one example. Next one. Example number 3. Division of 7.5 divide 5. Again same is that. Similar to this one. 7.5 divided by 5 is that. You can. Solution is very easy. Therefore, 7.5 you can write in your decimal two fractions. 75 divided by 10 divide 5. Because one digit after point is there, you can take 10. That is 10. Next one is what? 75 divided by 10 into 1 by 5. This is reciprocal. 5 reciprocal is 1 by 5. Next cancellation. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5. Remaining 5 sevens are 35. 5 7 sorry 5 25. 5 5s are. Therefore 15 by 10 is that. This is answer is 15 by 10. 15 by 10 means you can write in a decimal. Therefore denominator is 10 is there. You can take 1 0 1 point after point. 1 digit after point. 1 digit after. Answer is 1.5. Answer is 1.1. Or otherwise directly 7.5 is divided by 5. 5 ones are point is the point. Remaining 2 is the 5 5 is the answer is only 1.5. This method also here. Or otherwise this is also another method, directly method. 3.6 divided by 1.6 is the. You can take directly 1.2 ones are 1.2 2 threes are. That is 3 answer. Directly 3 answer. This is also here no problem. Therefore 0.125 divided 5 is the. Therefore 0 has 0 point. 1 is not 0.5 0. Next 5 25 is 0.025 0.02. This like it. Otherwise 5 is divisible by 0.125 is the. 0 is a 0 point is a point. You can take point. Next you can take. Next 1 is not divisible. You can take 0. Next 5 twos are 10 is the remaining 2 is the again 5 fives are that is 125. Remainder is 0 0 0. Answer is 0.25. These are the same as it is. These are the same as it is. Therefore 1.2 is 3.6 is divisible by 1.2. 1.2 threes are 3.6. Therefore remainder is 0. Answer is 3. This like also here. Therefore next one example. Next one. Example number 4. Divide 6.25 divide 10. Divide 10 is that. You know what divide 10? Divide 10, 100, 1000. These lines are here. That is also very easy. Divide. Some methods are here. How to divide this one? Therefore, very easy. First one is what? 6.25 divides 10 is the. Therefore, first of all you can convert it to decimal number into fractions. 625 divide 100. Why you can take 100? Because 2 digit of the point is there. You can take 20. Divides into 100 is there. Next you can simplification. 625 divide 100. If you know about that in your fractions, the division of fractions you can convert it into that is reciprocal of 10. That is 1 by 10 is that. Therefore 625 divides 110 is 1000 is that. 1000. Therefore 625 divided by 1000 is, you can take the denominator is 3 zeros are here, 3 digit of the point. Answer is 0.625. This is your answer. What about next? Again same as it is, same number divide. Example number 5. Divide 6.25 divides 100. In this one 10 is there na? In this one 100 is there. Therefore the again solution is what? Same as it is. 6.25 divides 100 is that. The next one. Therefore you can convert decimal number into fractions. 625 divides 100 divided by 100. Same as it is. Next you can practice fractions into decimal into fractions is over. Next division of fractions. Division of fractions means 625 divides 100 into reciprocal of 100 means 1 by 100. Next one is what? Therefore 625 divides 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000 is that. How many zeros are here in the denominator? 4 zeros are here. 4 digit after point. The answer is 0. Only 1, 2, 3 digits are here. You can take 1 digit, that is 0.625. This is your answer. This is your answer. What about next? Same as it is. The same. 10 is over. 100 is over. We can take 1000. 1000. What is the answer? Answer is directly 0.00625 is there. This is the one. Check question of verification. Therefore, this is 1000. This is also 1000. Next, simplification. Simplification is what? Simplification 625 divides 100 into reciprocal of 1000. Therefore, 625 divides 20 and 50. How many zeros are here? How many 5 zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh. Therefore, answer is 5 zeros are here. 5 digits after point. Only 3 digits. 0.00625. This is your answer. Exact answer is the. This is a division of decimal numbers. Only division of decimals. Division of decimals. Next one example. We can take any one example. And also division of decimal number by whole number. Division by decimal number by decimal number. And also division by decimal number by 10. Decimal number by 100. Decimal number by 1000. Also no problem. Next last one example. Example number 5. Divide 3.142 divides 10. And also 6. 3.142 divides 100. and 3.142 divides 4. You can practice these all numbers. Therefore, solution is what? Again, 3.142 divides 10 is the. Again, you can convert this decimal number to fractions. Fraction is what? 3142 divides. How many digits are here? 3 digits, that is 1000. Divides 10 is the. Next simplification. Division of fractions. 1342 divides 1000 into reciprocal of 100. Sorry, 10. Next, therefore, this answer is 1342 divides 1000 into 10 means 10,000. 10,000. Therefore, in the denominator 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are here. 4 digit up. The answer is 0.1342. 1342. Again, same. This is 10 is there. This is 100 is there. Answer is what? Answer is 0.014142 is there. And also 1000 is what? You can verify your answer. Therefore, solution is what? 3.142 1314. 3. This is not a 3 is a. This is 3. 3 1. 3 1. This is also 3 1 is there. Got it? Next 3 find is there. This is also 0.3142 is there. Therefore, divides 100 is the 100. Therefore, this decimal number to fractions 3142 divides 1000 divides 100 is there. Next, fractions of division. Therefore, 3142 divides 1000 into reciprocal of 100. Next, therefore, 3142 divides 50. 50 means that is 10,000. 1 lakh. 1 lakh is there. Got it? Next, the answer is what? The 5 digit is 0 is there in the denominator. You can take therefore 0.03142. Your answer is right. Your answer is right. This is your division of decimal. Last one example, 3.142 divides 4 is there. Divides 4, that is directly solution is the directly solution, or otherwise check once again. Therefore, solution. Given 3.142 divides 4 is the, you can convert a decimal number to fractions. 3142 divides 1000 divides 4 is the. Again, therefore, division of fractions. 3142 divides 1000 into 1 by 4. Next, cancellation. 4 ones are 4 sevens are 28. Again 3 is the 4 eights are 32. Remaining 2 is the 4 fives are 20. Remaining 2 is the 0.5. Therefore 78.5 is the divided by 1000 is the 1000. Therefore 3 digit upper point is there. Therefore 1 point is there. This point is here. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit after. Therefore 0.7855. This is your answer. Or otherwise directly just like is that 4 is divides by 3, 1, 4, 2 is there. But 4 is not divided by 3. We can take 0.0. 4 sevens are 28. Remaining 1 minus 9, 8 is impossible. You can take 3 carry 1 carry 3. Next 0. Next you can 4. Next 4 8s are 32. Remaining 2 is the. Therefore next 4 5s are 20. Remaining 2 is the. Again you can take 0. 4 5s are. Answer is 0.785. 0.785 your answer. Got it? Do your homework, the more examples in your division of fractions in your homework. Okay, I shall continue next class.